So over here in Shotcut project, what happens is that you have a certain layout and you got certain things right here. And then if you want to actually go around and enable and disable some of these features, then you can go around onto the view menu. And here you can see that there are different options right here. Like you can go around, select out layout right here, or you can show out title bar right here, as you can see. So you can go around, enable and disable out the title bar right here, and it enables and disables that out right here. You can also go around and show toolbar right here, just like this. So if I were to show toolbar, you will see this, and if you disable this, that'll be gone. If I were to go around onto show small icons right here, just like this, then you can see that you get a smaller icon. Similarly, there's show text under icons, which you can enable and disable out as well. So you can go around and enable out different things like audio loudness. As you can see, you can go around and view audio spectrum over here. So I can enable out different elements, as you can see right here. So I'm just going to go around, enable out the histogram, the RGB parade right here, RGB waveform right here, RGB vector. So I can go around and enable all of this out, as you can see, all at once as well. So once you do that, you can go around and even view out the application log on how things are actually functioning. Click on these and this is what you have, as you can see. So that is how you can work around with the show option inside of Shotcut to actually enable and disable different things inside of the application. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.